Good morning, students. Today I am going to 10th standard mathematics chapter 3 algebra, subtitle matrices. What is matrix? Matrix is a singular form. Matrices is a plural form. This is matrix, only one matrix. This is singular form. The plural form of matrix is matrices. Okay. Today, what is the definition for matrix? A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements. A matrix is a rectangular shape. This is rectangular shape. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements or alphabets. Is called matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of elements in rows and columns. The horizontal arrangements is called row. The horizontal arrangements is called row. The vertical arrangements is called column. Okay. A matrix is a rectangular form. Okay. The horizontal arrangements 1, 2, 3. The horizontal arrangements is called row. The vertical arrangements is called column. So, a matrix array of elements in a rectangular form in rows and columns are called matrix. Okay. Matrix is always denoted by capital letters only. A matrix only denoted by capital letters. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Capital B is equal to 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 11, 8 minus 3. A matrix only denoted by capital letters. Okay. Next. Order of a matrix. First, let us consider any one matrix. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How to create the order of the given matrix? First, consider how many rows and how many columns. How many rows are there? There are 2 rows. 1, 2. There are 2 rows. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 4. So, what is the order of the given matrix? The order of the given matrix A is 2 by 4. Only read as the class symbol is by. How to read this? 2 by 4. Only read as the order of the matrix 2 by 4. 2 is not read as 2 cross 4. Only read as the order of the matrix is 2 by 4. So, how to find the order of the matrix? The given matrix, to consider the given matrix, how many rows by how many columns? So here, how many rows? There are 2 rows. Horizontal elements are called rows. Vertical elements are called columns. So there are how many rows in the given matrix? There are 2 rows. How many columns are there in the given matrix? There are 4 columns. So what is the order of the given matrix? 2 by 4. 2 by 4. The another example, capital B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the order? How many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? There are 2 columns. So what is the order? 2 by 2. Right. Next example, third one. 1, 2, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, minus 1, 3, 0. What is the order? How many rows? There are 3 rows. How many columns? There are 3 columns. So what is the order? 3 by 3. Okay. Next, another topic, types of your matrices. Types of your matrices. First, number 1, row matrix. Row matrix. Only one row, only one horizontal elements. 1, 5, 7, 8. Only one row elements are called row matrix. This is row matrix. Next, column matrix. Column matrix. Only one column, only one vertical elements. 5 minus 3, 7, 0. Only one vertical arrangements are called column. So only one vertical arrangements are called column matrix. Okay. Next, square matrix. Square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns, are equal. Number of rows is equal to number of columns are equal. Then this type of matrix is called square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Rows is equal to columns. This type of matrix is called square matrix. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 8, 6, minus 1. There are 3 rows and also 3 columns. So 3 by 3. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. This type of matrix is called square matrix. Similarly, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, and so on. All are called square matrix. Next, diagonal matrix. First of all, a given matrix is a square matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First of all, let us consider two definitions for a diagonal matrix. First, the given matrix is a square matrix. There are square matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. So, this is diagonal matrix. Except diagonal elements, otherwise 0 is called diagonal matrix. Except diagonal elements, 1, 5, 9 is a diagonal. This is a leading diagonal. This is a first diagonal. This is a second diagonal. First of all, consider a matrix is a square matrix except the diagonal elements. Except the diagonal elements must be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. First of all, square matrix except the diagonal elements must be 0 is called square matrix. Is called square matrix. Okay? Are you understand? What is the diagonal matrix? A square matrix except diagonal elements must be 0 is called diagonal matrix. Okay. Next, scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix, a diagonal matrix 0 0 5 5 5 0 0 0 0. First of all, consider a diagonal matrix. The diagonal elements are equal. The diagonal elements are equal. This type of matrix is called scalar matrix. A diagonal elements of matrix is a diagonal elements all are equal except one is called scalar matrix. Very important point. The diagonal elements are equal except 1. 5 5 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 root 2 root 2 root 2 all are equal except 1. So this type of matrix is called scalar matrix. Next, identity matrix. Identity matrix. A scalar matrix of a leading diagonal elements is 1 is called identity matrix. A scalar matrix or a diagonal matrix of a diagonal elements must be is equal to 1. Then this type of matrix is called identity matrix. Identity matrix is also called as unit matrix. Identity matrix is also called as unit matrix. Okay, next zero matrix. Zero matrix. A matrix should be all the elements of the any matrix are zero. Then this type of matrix is called zero matrix. Next, upper triangle matrix. Upper triangle matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Let us consider the given matrix A is equal to 1 5 7 0 2 6 0 0 3. What is this? This is leading diagonal elements. Below the leading diagonal elements must be 0. Then this type of matrix is called upper triangular matrix. First, consider a square matrix. Below the diagonal elements must be 0. Then it is called upper triangular matrix. Okay. Next, lower triangular matrix. A square matrix. Above the leading diagonal elements must be 0. Then this type of matrix is called lower triangular matrix. Next, equal matrices. Equal matrices. One, two, three, 4 equal to A, B, C, D. Equal matrix. What is the order of the matrix? 2 by 2. What is the order of the matrix? Another matrix is again 2 by 2. So, equal matrices means the order is same. So, the order is same. Next, very important point, equal matrices. First of all, 2 matrices are equal, then the order of the matrix are same. Second point, since the matrices are equal, then it is the corresponding elements are equal. The corresponding elements. What is this? First element of the first matrix. First elements of the first matrix. So, A equal to 1. B equal to 2. C equal to 3. D equal to 4. Second point, very important. Since the two matrices are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. So A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, D equal to 4. Negative matrix. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First, consider a matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the negative matrix of A? Negative matrix means multiply by minus. Minus A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by minus all the elements. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. What is the negative matrix of A? Is minus A is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. That's all. A matrix is generally denoted by A11, A12, A13 and so on. A21, A22, A23 and so on. Finally, A, K1, K2, A, K3 and so on. A matrix is generally denoted by A11. A11 means first row, first column. The elements A11 in the which place of these elements? First row, first column. A12 means first row, second columns. A13 means first row, third columns. First row, third columns. 21 means second row, first column. 22 means second row, second columns. 23 means second row, third column, and so on. Finally, A11. K rows, first columns. K rows, second columns. What is K? K is what is K? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Finally, what is the number? Is unknown number. The unknown number is denoted by variable of K. So, AK1, AK2, AK3 and so on. This is a general form of matrix. A11 means first row, first column. 12 means first row, second column. This is a general form of matrix. Two more questions. In a matrix A is given. Write the first question, the number of elements. Second question, the order of the matrix. Third question, write the elements of A22, A23, A24, A43, A44. Right. First question, the number of elements are there. So, to read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not a calculate for the number of elements. What is the proper way of the number of elements to find the given matrix? First, to consider to find how many rows or how many columns. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. So, 4 rows. How many columns? 4 columns. So, what is the order of the matrix? 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is the order of the matrix. So, how many elements in the given matrix? Multiply these two. Only multiply by the order is number of elements in the given matrix. 4 by 4 equal to what? 16. So, total number of elements in the given matrix 16 elements. The order of the matrix. How to find the order of the matrix? Number of rows. First to find number of rows into number of columns. So how many rows and how many columns? There are 4 rows and 4 columns. So the order of the given matrix is 4 by 4. Next, write the element of A22, A23, A24, A43, A44. What is the order of the matrix? The given matrix is a 4 by 4 matrix. So general form of the given matrix: A11, A12, A13, A14. Stop it. Why? There are only 4 columns. So stop the number by 4. Only. A22, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44. Only 4 rows. So stop it this. 5, 6 is not enough. Okay. So the given matrix is a 4 by 4 to create the general form. To create the general form of the matrix. So corresponding elements are equal. So A22 equal to what? Root 7. A22 is equal to root 7. Next, A23. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. So A23 is equal to root 3 by 2. Next question. A24. Second row, fourth column. Second row, fourth column. So 5. Next question. A43. Fourth row, third column. Fourth row, third column. So equal to minus 11. A44. Fourth row, fourth column. Fourth row, fourth column. Equal to what? 1. That's all. This is a 2 mark question. The matrix is denoted by Aij is equal to modulus of I minus 2j. This is a given matrix. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Construct means build, create. Construct, build, உருவாக்கு. ஒரு 3 by 3 matrix உருவாக்கு. Construct means build or create the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. What is the general form of 3 by 3 matrix? Aij is equal to 3 by 3. First, to create the general form of 3 by 3. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a general form of 3 by 3 matrix. What are the elements? How to find the elements? Right. The general form is given. Aij is equal to modulus of I minus 2j. First, to find A11. Substitute I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Substitute I equal to 1 minus 2 into j. 2 into 1 is equal to what? 2 1 is 2. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 is 1. Okay. A12. I equal to 1, j equal to 2. I equal to 1, j equal to 2. 2 to 4 is equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 is equal to 3. Next, A13. I equal to 1, j equal to 3. Substitute I equal to 1, j equal to 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Modulus of minus 5 is 5. Next, A21. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. I equal to 2, j equal to 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. A22. I equal to 2, j equal to 2. I equal to 2, j equal to 2. 2 2 2s are 4. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is 2. Next, A23 is equal to modulus of I equal to 2, J equal to 3. I equal to 2. J equal to 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. Modulus of minus 4 is 4. Next, A31 modulus of I equal to 3, J equal to 1. I equal to 3, J equal to 1. So 3 minus 2 equal to 1. A32 is equal to modulus of 3 2. I equal to 3, J equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Modulus of minus 1 plus 1. Next, A33. I equal to 3, J equal to 3. So, modulus of 3 minus 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. So, modulus of minus 3 is 3. So, what are the elements? A11 is 1. A12 3. A13 5. A21 0. A22 2, A23 4, A31 1, A32 1, A33 3. So construct a 3 by 3 matrix. What is the help of construct a 3 by 3 matrix? First of all, given a general form of matrix. So, construct means build, create a 3 by 3 matrix. That's all. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Next, what is the general form? Aij is equal to I plus j whole cube divided by 3. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix. Construct a 3 by 3 matrix in general form of Aij. The matrix form, the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means only 3 rows and 3 columns. What is the general form? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is a general format. Okay. What is the given general format? Aij equal to I plus j whole cube divided by 3. The similar way of the previous 2 mark question. First to find A11. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. I equal to 1, j equal to 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cube, 8. 8 by 3. 1 plus 1 whole cube by 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 cube multiplied by 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 cube by 3 is equal to 8 by 3. Next to find A12. I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 whole cube by 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 cube by 3. Strike out 1 3. So 3 3s are 9. So what is the another form? 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 by 3 equal to 9. Next to find A13. I equal to 1, j equal to 3. 1 plus 3 whole cube divided by 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 cube by 3. 4 cube, 64 divided by 3. Next to find A21. I equal to 1, I equal to 2, j equal to 1. 2 plus 1 whole cube divided by 3. 2 plus 1, 3 cube. 3 cube means 27 divided by 3 equal to 9. Next, A22. I equal to 2, j equal to 2. Substitute 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, the whole cube divided by 3. 2 plus 2, 4 cube. 4 cube means 64 divided by 3. A 2, 3. 2 plus 3, the whole cube divided by 3 is equal to 2 plus 3, 5 cube, 125 by 3. A 3, 1. I equal to 3, J equal to 1. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, the whole cube by 3, 4 cube, 64 divided by 3. A 3, 2. I equal to 3, J equal to 2. 3 plus 2, 5 cube, 125 by 3. Next, A 3, 3. I equal to 3, J equal to 3. I equal to 3, J equal to 3. 3 plus 3, 6 cube divided by 3. 6 cube. 216 by 3, straight out, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6. So, find all the values of 3 by 3 matrix. Construct to create the 3 by 3 matrix. What are the elements? 8 by 3, 9, 64 by 3, 9, 64 by 3, 125 by 3. Next, 64 by 3, 125 by 3, 74. That's all. Next 2 more question. A is equal to, if A is equal to 5 4 3 1 7 9 3 8 minus 2. Then find transpose of A. Transpose of a matrix. Very simple. What is the given matrix? The matrix A is given. A is equal to 5 4 3 1 7 9 3 8 minus 2. The matrix A is given. Transpose of A is called A power T. Transpose of A is denoted by A power T. A power T. Transpose of matrix. Transpose means change. Row is converted to column. The first row is converted to first column. 5 4 3. The second row is converted to second column. 1 7 9. The third row is converted to third column. 3 8 minus 2. What is this? Transpose of A. A transpose means transpose of A. This is the 2 mark question. Right? Next, find A transpose, whole transpose. A transpose, whole transpose. Right? A given matrix A is equal to 5 4 3 1 7 9 3 8 minus 2. Transpose of a matrix A transpose. How to find? All the rows is converted to columns. First row is converted to first column. Second row is converted to second column. Third row is converted to third column. Or the first horizontal element is converted to vertical element. 5 4 3 1 7 9 3 8 minus 2. This type of matrix is called transpose of a matrix. Transpose of A is denoted by A power T. Right. A transpose. First to find A transpose, then again transpose of A transpose. One more time. Change the row is converted to column. A transpose, whole transpose. First A given matrix, next transpose of A, next one more time transpose of A transpose. So first row is converted to first column. 5, 1, 3. 4, 7, 8, 3, 9, minus 2. Right. First A transpose, second to find A transpose, whole transpose. This is a 2-mark question. What is the conclusion of this 2-mark question? A transpose, whole transpose is equal to A. What is your conclusion? My conclusion is A transpose, whole transpose is equal to A. Okay? That's all. A equal to root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 2 root 3 minus 5. Then find transpose of minus A. What is the question? A matrix A is given. To find the transpose of minus A. Transpose of minus A. So immediately to find A transpose? No. First to find negative matrix. To find minus A. To find minus A. Then find transpose of minus A. This is one more 2-mark question. A is given. What is A? Root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 2 minus root 3 minus 5. First to find, what is the question? Your question is transpose of minus A. So immediately find negative of A. First to find negative matrix of A. So minus A is equal to multiply by minus in the given matrix. Root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 2 minus root 3 minus 5. Multiply by minus all the elements of the given matrix. Multiply minus root 7 plus 3 minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus, so root 5. Multiply minus 2. Multiply plus root 3. Multiply plus 5. So, first to find minus A. Then transpose of minus A. Minus A whole transpose is equal to first row is converted to first column. Minus root 7, 3. Second row, root 5 minus 2. Third row, root 3, 5. Third row is converted to third column, root 3, 5. This is a transpose of minus A. That's all. Next, A equal to 5, 2, 2 minus root 17, 0, 5 by 2. 8, 3, 1 finds A transpose, whole transpose. What is given? A matrix A is given. First to find A transpose. How to find the transpose of A? Convert the first row is converted to first column. 5, 2, 2. Second row is converted to second column. Minus root 17, 0, 5 by 2. The third row is converted to third column, 8, 3, 1. What is this? Transpose of A. Transpose of A is denoted by A power T. A transpose, whole transpose. One more time transpose of the previous A transpose. So, the first row is converted to first column. 5 minus root 17, 8, 2, 0, 3, 2, 5 by 2, 1. Okay. What is your conclusion? A transpose, whole transpose is equal to A. These two are same. So, therefore, A transpose. Next 2 more question. Find the values of X, Y and Z from the following equations. following equations means two equal matrices are given. First, to apply the properties of equal matrices, then it is solved to find the values of x, y and z. First 2 mark question. Right, what is given? Two equal matrices is given. Two equal matrices are given. 3, 5. What is the properties of equal matrices? What is the order of the given first matrix? 2 by 2. What is the order of the another matrix? Is also 2 by 2. So applying the properties of equal matrices. What is the property? Since there are two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements is also equal. So the corresponding elements. So the first elements A11 is equal. So y equal to 12. X is equal to 3. Z equal to 3. So Z equal to 3. Okay. So X is equal to 3. Y equal to 12. Z equal to 3. That's all. The another 2 mark question. Again, these two equal matrices. So the corresponding elements are equal. So what is the corresponding elements? X plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. 5 plus z equal to 5. Then finally xy is equal to 8. This is equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Let us consider 3 equations. What is the question? Find the values of x, y and z. Right? Sum of the two variables is equal to 6. Here only one variable, 5 plus z equal to 5. So first solve the second equation. Immediately find the value of z. Then apply the another two sums. Another two equations. Okay. 2 implies that 5 plus z equal to 5. Transpose of 5. 5 minus 5. Z equal to 0. So what is the value of z? Z equal to 0. Then x plus y is equal to 6. Xy is equal to 8. Solve these two. Sum of the two variables is equal to 6. The product of same variable is equal to 8. These two equations are equal. Is a balanced equation? Is not. So 3 implies that y equal to 8 by x. Y equal to 8 by x. Equation number 4. Applying in 1. Y is equal to 8 by x. Applying in 1. 1 implies that x plus 8 by x equal to 6. Cross multiplying x square plus 8 divided by x is equal to 6. X square, x into x square plus 8 divided by x. Cross multiplying x square plus 8 equal to 6x. transpose x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. What is this? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Factorize the quadratic equation. What is the formation of quadratic equation? X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. This is a general form of quadratic equation. This is a formation equation. What is this? X square term, x term, constant term. Factorize. How to factorize this quadratic equation? Sum of roots is equal to 6. Product of roots is equal to 8. Sum of roots minus 6. Multiply any two numbers, we get the answer 8. Add the same numbers is minus 6. So factorize minus 4 into minus 2. Multiply these two. Minus 4 into minus 2 plus 8. Sum of these roots minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. So factors of the quadratic equations of x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Factorize x minus 2, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 4 equal to 0, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4, right? Already to find the value of z, here x is equal to 2 or 4, y equal to what? Y is unknown value. To find the value of y, 4 implies that y equal to 8 by x. Right? What is the value of x? X, two more answers. First substitute x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. We get y equal to 4. Substitute x is equal to 4. Y equal to 2. So what are the answers? X is equal to 2, y equal to 4, z is equal to 0. This is one type of answer. The another one is x is equal to 4, y equal to 2, z equal to 0. Right? Next, another one question. Another one. X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to matrices of 9, 5, 7. Here, two matrices are equal. The corresponding elements are equal. So, we get x plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 7. Right? Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Here, 3 variables are there, only 2 variables. So, the equation 2 and 3, only 2 variables. So, the same variable is eliminated. So, plus z. So, 2 minus 3. To eliminate z, 2 minus 3, that implies x plus z minus y plus z is equal to 5 minus 7. X plus z multiplied by minus y minus z is equal to minus 2. So plus z minus z get cancelled. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Equation number 4. X minus y equal to minus 2. Right? If 1 implies that x plus y plus z is equal to 9. 4 implies that x minus y is equal to minus 2. Add these two. Plus y minus y get cancelled. 2x plus z is equal to plus 9 minus 2. 7. Equation number 5. Equation number 5. Right. Solve equation number 2 and 5. Solve equation 2 and 5. We get 2 implies that x plus z is equal to 5. 2x plus z equal to 7. Subtract these two. Minus, minus, minus. Plus z minus z get cancelled. 2x minus x. Minus x is equal to 5 minus 7. Minus 2. So x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. In 5. 5 implies that x is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus z equal to 7. Z equal to 7 minus 4. Z equal to 3. The another variable to find y. What is the value of z? Z equal to 3. Substitute z equal to 3 in equation 3. So 3 implies that y plus 3 equal to 7. Y equal to 7 minus 3. Y equal to 4. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 2, y equal to 4, and finally z equal to 3. That's all.